2025 Mazda CX-5 2.5 Turbo continues to embody Mazda's Kodo design language, with sleek, sculpted body lines and a confident stance. LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility while giving it a sharp, modern edge. Distinctive 19-inch alloy wheels and gloss black exterior accents set the turbo model apart with a sportier, more premium look. Under the hood, the 2.5-liter turbocharged engine delivers up to 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque with premium fuel, giving drivers a spirited and responsive ride. Paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive, it's built for both city confidence and highway strength. The tuned suspension balances agile handling with ride comfort, making it fun yet composed on any road. Rear passengers enjoy spacious seating with generous legroom and supportive cushions. Available rear heated seats and the fold-down center armrest with cup holders elevate the comfort, while split folding functionality makes it easy to expand cargo capacity when needed. Inside, the CX-5 2.5 Turbo impresses with a driver-focused cabin crafted from high-quality materials like genuine leather, wood trim, and available ventilated front seats. The cabin is designed for quiet comfort, with excellent insulation and ergonomic controls placed within easy reach. Mazda's i-Activ Sense suite comes standard, providing advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and rear cross-traffic alert. Additional features such as a 360-degree view monitor and smart brake support enhance confidence in tight spaces and on busy roads. A 10.25-inch center display anchors the infotainment system, offering seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The available Bose premium audio system fills the cabin with rich sound, while built-in navigation and a head-up display keep drivers informed and connected without distraction. The power liftgate with programmable height adjustment makes loading and unloading simple, while keyless entry and push-button start streamline daily use. Ample storage solutions, USB ports in both rows, and dual-zone climate control add thoughtful practicality for everyday life. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 2.5 Turbo combines refined style, turbocharged performance, premium comfort, and advanced technology into a well-rounded SUV. It's a perfect choice for drivers who want sporty driving dynamics without sacrificing practicality or luxury. You can view our selection at bergemazda.com. Give us a call at 480-498-5614 or visit our showroom today.